Hello there, this is Toshihiko Yamamoto from Yamamoto Property Advisory in Tokyo. Today I'm with Malinda from US. She's originally from Texas and she lives in LA right now. We just went to view a property in足立区for their new startup in Tokyo. So I'm going to ask Malinda a few questions. Here we go.
So I'm Malinda. I am a web producer and I work with my partner Lee, who is a product designer. Nope, he will be back soon. And we are looking to find property in Japan so that we can start manufacturing physical goods for the Japanese market. We really like the Tokyo area. A lot of the stuff that we work on and enjoy as far as entertainment, like anime, is very popular here, and we are working to get into the Japanese market and sell those products. And before talking to Yamamoto Property, Toshi-san, it was very difficult to try to find people to talk to on the internet, primarily because the content was in Japanese and I don't read or speak Japanese, and neither does my partner. And we really needed help trying to navigate the landscape here in Japan. We really started our search with the internet, of course. I mean, obviously, I work on the web, so that was
Hello.
So we started obviously on the internet looking, but like I said, a lot of the content is in Japanese, and neither one of us read or speak Japanese. So it was really difficult to try to figure out what was going on and how we needed to proceed in general. And we reached out to Toshi-san because his site was full of really good information, and he seemed very willing to help and had experience working with American companies in the past. And so we thought that would probably be one of the best ways to go. Yeah. So that's why. Yes, and it was pretty much exactly what we were expecting. The price range was good. The property was, as Toshi told us, it was very, very nice, very easy to navigate, pretty close to what we were expecting. Nice floor plan layout, and exactly what we had asked for.
Yes.
Yeah.
Very satisfying.
Do you have any advice for your fellow American people who wish to invest in crypto or buy houses?
Yes, definitely need to find someone to help you navigate the landscape. It is hard
Because
to.
of the language.
For us, it was the language primarily. Yeah.
Well, also it's also a lot easier to do business in Japan with a Japanese person involved. It does matter. There are a lot of cultural issues and just communication issues that even when you find people who speak English, they don't always speak English well and aren't comfortable speaking English. So there can be a lot of communication issues, even though you both speak the same language. So having somebody who is Japanese and knows the culture does help a lot.
Great. All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you.